Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Friday said that the government is gearing up to inaugurate 50 new projects in the state to mark Meghalaya's 50th year of statehood next year. Inaugurating the new building of St. Andrew's Secondary School block at Wrecking in North Garo Hills in presence of Deputy Speaker Timothy D. Shira and MLAs Rupert Momin and Pongseng Marap, the Chief Minister informed that the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been invited by the state to witness the Statehood Day celebrations. He also said that the state government has accorded priority to upscale the educational sector and has made huge investment to create a better learning environment in elementary, secondary and college level. He informed the gathering that MDA government has sanctioned 12 crore rupees each to colleges in Williamnagar and Bagmara, which will be completed by next year. He also said that the model college in Rongjeng in East Garo Hills is almost completed and will be inaugurated during the Statehood Day celebration next year. He expressed his concerns over the poor pass percentage in secondary and high secondary level and said that the government is working with the stakeholders to ensure that educational standard is improved across the state.